If you've been feeling achy all over, just low in energy and bloated, you might be suffering from chronic inflammation. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 juices to fight inflammation, improve circulation, and give you a natural energy boost. No crash, no chemicals. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hey, it's NP Harvey here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you find something so useful in this content that will allow you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Here we are all about wholeness of the mind, body, and soul. Now, today you are joining me in my kitchen because I wanted to share with you some of the juices that I make to help me combat, minimize chronic inflammation in my body. Now, if this is something that you are looking forward to or you are interested in, then stay tuned. Today, our star ingredients are turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation at the cellular level. Ginger improves circulation, eases digestion, and helps calm the body's inflammation responses. Together, they work like a dynamic duo, fighting free radicals, boosting immunity, and even helps with joint health. My first powerhouse juice I call the Sweet Beet Glow. You will need 1 medium beet, 1 medium apple, 1 inch turmeric, 1 inch ginger, 3 medium-sized carrots, 1 medium orange, half of a lemon. I am using a whole food juicer today. Next, you will need 1.5 to 2 cups of water of your choice. I use coconut water, and a juice container to pour your juice. Now I'm cutting up my carrots. I did not peel my ingredients as I'm using a whole food juicer. Now carrots, they are packed with beta carotene. This is great for vision and immune function. Now beets, they are high in nitrate content, which is great to improve blood flow and helps to lower blood pressure. Now I'm adding my apples, good source of fiber. And if you're using a blender, you will peel your ingredients, blend them all in your blender, blend till smooth. Then you can drain with a nut bag or a strainer. Here I'm just pouring into my juice container what I've juiced thus far, making room for the remaining ingredients. Now I'm just adding my turmeric and orange. So now I'm just pouring the remaining ingredients in my juice container. I'm adding my coconut water, and now I'm adding a pinch of black pepper, which is very, very important to help our body absorb the curcumin found in our turmeric. I give my flask a good shake. Now I am ready to enjoy, and hope you will too. Refreshing. My next powerhouse juice I call the Green Anti-Inflammatory Glow. For this you will need 2 cups of spinach or kale, which is about 3 kale leaves, which is what I'm using today, 1 medium apple, 1 cucumber, 3 celery stalks, 1 inch turmeric, half of a lemon, 1 inch ginger. Now my ingredients have already been washed, so now I'm ready to juice. I will juice each item. Right now I'm juicing my kale. I will cut up my cucumbers, add them to the juicer. And if you're using a blender, go ahead and cut up all your items and place them in your blender. and blend until smooth. You can then drain with a strainer or with a nut bag the juice. So here I'm cutting up my celery, adding them to the juicer. And celery is good for hydration and your digestive system. The apples here add some sweetness. So now I'm getting ready to pour what I've juiced so far in my juice container to make room for the remaining ingredients that we have to juice, which is our turmeric, ginger, and our lemon. Now, as we know, those are our two powerhouse ingredients to fight chronic inflammation: turmeric and ginger. So once I've completed juicing my ingredients, I pour the remainder of the juice in my juice container. And don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper to help with the turmeric absorption. I give my container a shake, and I'm ready to enjoy. Hope you enjoy too. Refreshing. So my final powerhouse juice for today, I call it the Golden Sunrise Juice. For this recipe, I am going to use my blender. You will need 2 cups of pineapple chunks, frozen. You will need 1-inch ginger chopped, 1-inch turmeric chopped, and a half peeled orange, and 2 cups of coconut water. You will also need a dash of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption. So you go ahead and add your coconut water, your pineapple chunks, your oranges, your turmeric, and your ginger. And you will dash a pinch of black pepper for turmeric absorption. If you notice this go round, I am wearing gloves because turmeric stains. So when chopping my turmeric, I wear gloves. So once blended to smooth, you are ready to pour and enjoy. Absolutely refreshing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you will try these recipes and that you will find them refreshing and that you will add them to your healthy regimen arsenal to combat chronic inflammation. If you would like a free PDF download of these recipes, please check the description box and click on the link and download. If you enjoyed this content today, please hit that like button. Please comment and subscribe to this channel. And share with me which one of these were your favorite recipe. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed day. I will see you in the next video. Be healthy and stay fit.